Welcome to this module, example 9 of connecting solar panels in series and in parallel. We are having a 4 by 3 configuration here. Why do we say it's a 4 by 3? You can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4 solar panels by 1, 2, 3. That means 4 in series and 3 in parallel, depending on the rating. You can see 0.5 volts, 0.5 volts, 0.5 volts. Those are the ratings of each of the solar panel. And this is your string 1, this is your string 2, this is your string 3. And at the end of the day, this is each of them is 0.4 amp. Then let me calculate on this.